Good morning, vlog. Don't know what today is because it's the day after Brooklyn's birthday and all they're doing is fighting over Brooklyn's toys. So I don't know. It's Sunday. I know that. It's Sunday. Okay, I'll find it in a second. Let me just make my shake. I can't even talk. I said, let me. Apple cider. Holy crap. And 2 super greens. Energy. And the baby some food. I'm gonna have a shake and go to the store. Okay, come home, do laundry, and clean up this mini Christmas we had yesterday. Fat burner and sea moss. Kim Kardashian makes me want to dye my hair like that, babe. Look at her hair. No. No. You wanna like me with some platinum hair?
No. Hair don't look good to me.
I like it.
I got those
What if I just go blonde?
No. You don't look like a white girl.
You said I look like a white girl?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm half white.
Huh?
I'm half white.
Yeah, but then you're gonna look like a white girl.
He
Look like a
just,
white
he's
girl.
just not attracted to white girls.
No, I'm not.
He like them Spanish looking girls. He thought I was Spanish. He said, "What is that Spanish one?" I'm gonna get me that Spanish girl. What happened? She took it from you? I'm mixing pumpkin and I need to make water. You want Nico and Amani? You spent the whole day with them yesterday. Yeah. I haven't juiced the ginger, if you haven't noticed. But I've just been slacking because I was caught up in Brooklyn's birthday. So I'll juice the ginger. Who's AJ talking to?
You want one piece of toast right there?
Milk. Where's your cup? Milk, please.
Ouch!
On the couch. Oh no, I'm using the rest of my Prolessa too. Yeah, it's time to make a order. Now I gotta go days without my Prolessa because you guys want to take 5 years to deliver. We have 100 Capri Suns. Got a whole bunch of them. Cheers.
Put it on your bread.
Back at Target to get a couple of things for the house, so I had to get some fuel and so far some shampoo and conditioner. Alright, so we got tons of leftover food from yesterday and I'm finally home from the store and it's lunch time, so we're gonna eat, there's pasta too, but right now we're gonna eat some, I'm gonna have chicken adobo and pancit. The kids are gonna have chicken adobo and white rice. And they'll probably have the pasta for dinner because we gotta eat these leftovers because nothing goes to waste in my house. I'll show you my plate. Alright, so I have a scoop of white rice on the bottom, 2 scoops of pancit on the top of the rice, 2 pieces of chicken adobo on the top. So this is my meal for the day. If you don't know what panza is, it's absolutely amazing. It's Filipino food and I love it. So I'm gonna eat and I'll see you later. Hey vlog. So it's late and I totally forgot that I didn't close the vlog because we got caught up. We were cleaning, getting the house together because it looked like we had the party here and we didn't even have the party here, but it felt like we had the party here because our house is a mess. But I'm gonna do my nightly stuff now because I'm still full from lunch when I had the leftovers. So I'm not gonna eat, I'm not gonna have a shake. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my nightly stuff and sit down with my lovely husband and watch TV because both the kids have fell asleep and my teens aren't coming home till tomorrow. We're going to watch a movie. That's cool. We got everything done today we needed to do. We were able to chill. And the kids are asleep early. That's good. Apple cider vinegar. For these nasty things. Two super greens. Oh, they don't need energy. I already took multi, so I'm going to take pump. Last 2 of these I gotta go open a new one. I have like a backup stash, so let me open these for tomorrow. I realized this morning I only took 1 sea moss, so I'm gonna take another one now. I also realized that yesterday I accidentally took a double dose of sea moss. When I was editing yesterday's video, I saw it and I was like, I took 2 in the morning and 2 at night. And you're only supposed to take 2 in 1 day. So, I definitely did that. I'm gonna take a fat burner now too, as well. Take 1 in the morning and then I either take 1 in the afternoon if I don't, 1 at night. It doesn't like stimulate you and keep you awake, so. And I'm gonna take my treatment. I make my husband and I a little dark cup of coffee. Oh girl, it's just gonna be. So, good night. See you on the next video.